Hey YouTube, this is Gracie and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be attempting to make some really cool pins using these stamp sets and this sticker pack. I got this sticker pack from Hobby Lobby, but you can also get it from Joann's or Michael's. I also got these stamp sets from a scrapbooking store in the Bay Area, but you can also get these online, I think, from their corresponding companies. Here's some of the information if you'd like that. But before I move on, I wanted to give a quick little shout out to my subscribers. We have about 95 as of now, and I'm really happy to have you all here. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. I'm trying my hardest to get to 100 subscribers, so definitely subscribe. And let's get on with the video. Along with those stamp sets and sticker pack, I'm going to be using these little wooden guys as the backings to the pins. I have some rectangles and different size circles, as well as these really fun stars. I actually thought I might just paint these and make them their own pins, but can certainly put one of the stamps or stickers on here and make it a pin too. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is use this Harry Potter inspired stamp set from Designer Stamps. I'm going to be using this little guy here, all of the little spell books, stamping it onto some white cardstock using my Lawn Fawn black ink, a stamp positioner, and then cleaning it all off with my baby wipes here. As you can see, I've stamped my books about 3 times now. I have not used this particular stamp out of my collection, so sometimes it happens with brand new ones. It doesn't stamp very well for the first couple tries, but 3rd time's the charm. So we're going to cut this out and we'll go on to the next step. I've finished stamping all the images that I want to make into pins, and I've placed all of the wood backings along with the images, with the corresponding images. I have these 2 little stars down at the bottom because I definitely want to paint these some fun colors and make those into pins as well. So the next thing, I'm going to use some Copic markers and color in all of the images. Now that I've colored in all of the images that I wanted, I'm actually going to take some of the stickers from the sticker book and put these on pins as well. But before I do any of that, I need to paint all the rest of these wood blocks for the backings. As you can see, I have finally painted everything and I'm ready to glue the icons down onto the backings and put the stickers onto these backings here. I added a little bit more detail on Darth Vader's backing just to make it look a little bit more interesting, kind of looks like hyperspace. So yes, the next step is to glue everything down. As you probably have noticed, about halfway through, I changed my mind with the 7 dwarf pins. I went from these smaller stickers to the bigger ones here, and I think it just turned out a little bit better. They weren't as lost with the backing on it. So I really like how those turned out. I may add a little bit of detailing in the border section of these 2 pins, but once all of that is finished, I'm going over all of the pins with this glossy accents. It is a clear dimensional medium and it dries clear, which is really cool. It kind of makes it look more of like an enamel pin in itself. So that will be the next step, is to finish these details and then cover everything with the glossy accents. to show you guys a close-up of the glossy accents while everything is drying, so you can kind of see how I basically just kind of globbed it on there. And now we're gonna wait for a couple hours for everything to dry. I'm still waiting on the Dopey and Grumpy pins to finish drying with the glitter I put on, and then I'll be able to put the glossy accents on top of that. So far so good. After these are all dried and the glossy accents are applied to the last two, and those dry, we'll be able to put our pin backings on, which I have here. We're just gonna hot glue these on and then everything will be finished. Everything is finally dry and I'm ready to put on my backings here, my little pin backings. So I just wanted to come on real quick as I glue on a couple of these and say thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching but you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Like I said before, I'm trying my hardest to get to 100 subscribers. So help me out and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up because that helps as well. I do have lots of other like pin making type of videos. So if you want to see any of those, I'll leave some links to that. And yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned for next week's video. Hope you have a great day and I will see you next time. Bye.